Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything off of your Android phone. So if you go to the top right here, and then you go to settings, you can just search for this. So every Android phone is going to be a little bit different. But go to search and just type in reset. And there should be an option to factory reset your phone, or you can pretty much delete all your settings off of here. So you can see all these settings right here. It says reset all settings, reset Wi-Fi, and then factory data reset right here. We can go to this option and it will delete everything off our phone. Now, depending on what type of phone you have, like Samsung has this nice little feature right here where we can back up everything to the cloud for 30 days and there's unlimited storage. So if something is wrong with our phone, maybe a virus or something, we can back up our entire phone right here, and then we can restore the data later on. So just go down to factory data reset, and then you should be able to just delete everything off of your phone. So just look at this as an option, just go to reset. Otherwise, you can swipe up and go to files, type in files right here, and then you might have my files or files depending on which one you're on. And then you can just go to your images, your videos, your documents, etc. And you can just delete things off of here. You can just hold down on it. There should be an option just to delete everything. So you can see, and then you go to delete, and you can do the same thing on your installation files too, your APKs or wherever you have. Well, I only have one in here, but you can just delete everything off of there. And then you can go into your internal storage here. If there's any kind of folders or files in here you want to delete, go ahead and just look through everything. And then hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.